Controlling the gain and volume. So first of all, audio gain. So most music is created from the loudest possible signal between the maximum difference between the background noise and the loudest possible signal. Usually that is too loud for our video sequences. So we need to adjust the audio gain. So we got a couple ways we can do that. One, I can pick on my A1 and right click and go to audio gain, and that'll bring me to this dialog box right up here, and I can adjust this audio gain, and I'm going to adjust it to -12, but I'm going to do it a different way. I'm going to come up here and I'm in my audio workspace, and I'm going to hit on these double arrows here, and you can see I can go to my effect controls, and if I had a bigger monitor I wouldn't have to do that, right? And this brings me into my effects, and here I have an FX stands for effects, and then I have volume, and I have some balance and some volumes here. And so this is another way we can do it. We can come in here and we can change the volume here and say I want it to be -12 here as well, right? So if I scroll up and down here, you can see I have all the effects for video and for audio here. So right here, I'm going to come in here to my effects for my volume, and I am going to come in here and I'm going to say I'm going to go in -12. I can put -12.0. I can say enter. And before, when I played it over in my meter over here, you could see I was maxing out. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to play it. You can see I'm maxing out at -12 right about here. And if I come back in here and change this level to 0, and now I just go back and play the same area again. You can see I was going all the way up to 0, and so it's getting too loud. And so by going into my effects here, and I can do it this way, and if you want to go back to your normal standard workspace, I can just right click if you like that method better and go to audio gain, and then we get this little dialog box over here, and I can say -12, and I can hit enter, and I can play this now. And you can see by my audio meters over here that I'm only going up to about -12, and so this allows me a lot better manipulation of my sound, because it's just plain too loud when I get all the way up to 0. Remember, anything over 0 is distorted. So this is controlling the gain and effectively the volume.